YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Meech, and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. So basically on today's video, it's probably gonna be a small, short video. Ooh, hey, I just peeped that that's the new Dodge. That motherfucker moving. This is the new, what's that? The Dodge Charger, the EV joint. I think that's the Scat Pack one though. That motherfucker moving. But anyways, we are currently on our way to get the O2 sensor wideband nipple welded on. Well, we're gonna try to do that today, hopefully. So y'all don't see this video, y'all know why. If y'all do see this video, then y'all know exactly why it's going up. But yeah, so currently we on our way to the shop right now to see if they can do it. I've been explaining to people on the phone not all morning, but pretty much all morning. Do they do this? Motherfucking muffler shops talking about, oh, we don't do that type of work. Bro, you can't weld a small ass nipple, drill a little hole, and weld out a fucking, and weld a you know, like, come on, bro. That's why, like, by my old crib, I kind of miss, you know, because I missed them. I would have definitely drove all the way out there, even though I got stuff to do today, so I probably wouldn't have drove out there, but it would have been definitely pushed back. But moral of the story is they're not even open on weekends no more. They only Monday through Friday, and I work Monday through Friday, so it's kind of hard to kind of rely on, not rely on, but just to take the car there. Hey, I drive past this house, man. They got the dude that's got some cars for real, gang. And then I still have my CV axles in the back. I definitely need to get those put on. I gotta do the two front, then I'm gonna do the back. Not as bad as what they was saying, but we just gonna get everything done soon. I would have got it done today, but I gotta be back at the crib so we can go cake tasting, you feel me? Cake tasting, you know, wedding shenanigans, you know, for the ones who know that know, you feel me? But anyways, I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. I'm gonna definitely pick the camera up when I get there. I'm gonna have to see the work that they do, because this is a shop that's actually doing my CV axles too, so I gotta see how they do on this, or see if they even know what they're doing when it comes to this, and then we gonna go from there. Look at that motherfucking what's that, 350Z? 370? I don't know if y'all could see it, but I like cars like that. If I wasn't into like all this muscle stuff, man, or just loving the way these cars sound, I'd probably get like a 350Z or 370 or what else? I get a Volkswagen Jetta GTI or something. It's actually a couple cars. It's actually a couple other cars that I would get, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all didn't like, you know, muscle cars or whatever. What other car would y'all prefer to like build? You feel me? Like, let me know down in the comment section down below. And then yeah. But like I said, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get there. I should be there in a few, man. All right, y'all. So they did say it was a super long wait, about 4 hours, only because, you know, this car is low and they got the low ramp. So they got the low ramp, so we probably just gonna drop it off Monday. I don't know, we probably just gonna drop it off Monday, have them do everything, because like I said, I need to get my CV axles done, and I actually was gonna take it here, free oil change with front or rear brake pad or rotor replacement includes pads, rotors. That's dope. All right, so anyways, I don't know, probably just get y'all walk around, put a video up. I don't know, because now it's like pretty much,
Mama told me go and get it.
It's like it's kind of unsuccessful, kind of not successful. Or I can pick this video back up a couple days later when I actually got some motion going on. I can do that as well, so that could be an option. I do know we need to get these CV axles taken care of though, but working Monday through Friday, bro, and then trying to do all that shit, it's just not gonna work. It's just not gonna work out. low, and then I can hear it, bro. Like you starting to really hear it. I'm glad this place is not far from the crib. So I don't know, we gonna see. Alright, so all I know is let me take my car back the fuck home, because I don't need to be driving it. It sounds fucking terrible, to be honest. Hopefully that fixes my problem, my issue. But I ain't finna talk y'all off though, so yeah. Alright, YouTube, it is the next day, and as y'all can see, we've been working on the Torqstorm. You dig? We've been working on it. So y'all can see the Torqstorm is in. We got the belts, the pulleys, the new water pump. I mean, not water pump. The what's the name? We got the system blade. We got a lot of things going on. So right now I got this bag on here because y'all know I got the Hellcat. You dig? So hold on. Let me go drop these parts off real quick, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a sec. Alright, y'all, like I was saying earlier, it's a couple days later. I'm about to go drop this KNN cold and intake off because I don't need it no more. As y'all can see, the Supercharger is finally installed on the car. Now I am going to drop a clip that I put on TikTok inside of this video so y'all can hit a start up. It was a pretty smooth startup. Everything sound pretty healthy. I can't honestly wait. I just gotta finish a few more piping. I gotta finish the piping. Basically, the only thing that's left is the piping. I didn't even show y'all the intercooler. The intercooler is mounted. The only thing that's left to do is the piping, drop the spark plugs, and do the injectors. Now, I heard that you can run the stock fuel pump for, I don't know for how long. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. But I have been watching a couple videos. A couple people have ran the stock fuel pump. Now I might either do a booster pump, or I probably end up doing, you know, like the I forgot what it's called. I forgot the terminology of it. But yeah, so we might end up doing that later on down the line. And then for the injectors, I got Hellcat injectors, and then I got the step 1 colder. Oh, I'm speeding. Oh, I'm only going 47 and 45. Never mind. Damn, there's some shit going on. But yeah, 12 finna come flying down the street. So let me get over right now. But yeah, it look a little dark in here. Why didn't the camera adjust? Hold on. Alright, y'all, my bad, I'm back. I said my bad, y'all, I'm back. So yeah, so we just got a few more steps to do. I think I started on that project, I want to say like Sunday morning, and I've been at work, so it's kind of been hard to finish it. And then it was raining today, so really ain't getting no chance to get out there and do anything today. I did look over a few things, but other than that though, yeah, I still have to get my CV axles done because I didn't go to the places. They were talking about 4 hours. So, but I might go ahead and put this video up and then make a part 2 to this video when I'm done with the piping and then cutting the piping. Now, I haven't been doing like a how-to or whatever the case is, step by step, but I will show, or I will try to get everything in the next couple of videos so y'all can see how to like install, like how, I guess if you do get one, how to install it. But I'm not by any means about to be, because my hands was dirty, there's a lot going on, and this is my first time honestly doing it on my own. So, and I'm doing everything by myself, you feel me? So it's like, I ain't got time to be stopping, picking up the camera and showing y'all and then touching on my camera and shit. And you know, my hands about filthy as hell, so I ain't got time for all that. So I just let it be what it's gonna be. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned, man. Turn on that notification. Damn, I can't talk today. Turn on that notification so y'all don't miss a drop, man. And then Why the fuck is it so dark in there? Anyways, whatever. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. And I will catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.